far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Me say me love you like mango. I better you give me some loving. See how far we can go. Imagine it be nice and something. Tell you what I want to. Need a minute of you.
Hey guys, welcome back. Well, not even welcome back because I'm new to this. So it's like after 6 now, and today is just up day at school. So today is pink day because it's the month of October, breast cancer. Yeah, you know it's pink. So at this point, I'm going to meet my cousin because I'm early and she's late. Look at my hairstyle. You want to look at edges, so chef got fix my edges. Yeah, I'm gonna take a bus. So I feel like somebody can video today because somebody not in a uniform. Well, at least 1 or 2 people got in a uniform, but I don't want them for my camera because I don't want to get in trouble. I don't feel like I get in trouble because I'm not posting anything bad. But yeah, and guys, I should be hosting the event hopefully. Yeah, I'm asking a friend to help me, so we'll see how that goes and how the rest of the day play off because not each class but each grade should have an item, and I'm gonna check on the grade 12 and 13. Well, I don't know what the grade 12 doing, but I know what the grade 13 is doing, so I'm gonna check on them today and go to the other class and see if them have them sound ready, whatever. So that's basically it for today. Let's see how this day goes, guys. I am broke. B-R-O-K-E broke. So when me and my cousin got the ATM, we said we want to leave 6 o'clock so we can get early bus, and it's now after 6. So I text me call 6 o'clock and say ready. She say give her 10 more minutes. So that is what I'm doing. I'm going to go bus stop and I'm going to see her. I walk up here go come here. Fix my get look edges. At that me I gotta do. So that's the motive for today. Let's see what else. Let's see what else. I have lip gloss. I want to put it on. Lip gloss is not really my thing like that, but it can work. So show no full outfit. I know some of my friend them. Everybody are pink. I get a pink ribbon from a friend because she sell them. Yeah. She do already. Guys, it is now. I'm gonna wipe off the camera. 7 o'clock.
It's now 5:40.
And she do.
It's 5:40.
Hello, at 7 o'clock now. You hear me? I tell you. And look at my edges. I'm not even have no edges. I'm have to. No, sir. What are them Paul? Yeah. I'm have to go fix the girl edges. And she stop and I take picture. See him there. I'm weird. I have to go fix the girl edges. I mean, cause it.
Thank you.
Guys, I have to fix her edges. Look. Yeah, good job. But now I reach at school for now. I'm gonna have 18 today. And I'm on to the line. They're gonna go long. Jesus Christ, man. Look how long I'm ready, Jada Jones. I'm gonna tell my friend them say me I come early.
I did do your edges.
Hello, I'm ready. Anyways, guys, we'll get back to you when something eventful is happening. Guys, right now, I'm not in a class with teacher now come. I vlog today because you're in a uniform.
Them face I go inverted if I come up in the camera. I go shame. Now but I come up in the camera, but in the ear my voice.
Yes, guys. So that's Shanti and she has sing a song for graduation. She has practice. So, yeah. So guys, I'm here right now and this girl is bribing me to follow her to go somewhere. And she bribed me to her. Say hi to Rika.
Hi. But you want to juice, I look to us.
But I'm have my big water, so I don't want the juice. Yeah?
After
She
school,
bribe.
you don't want
No, I don't want no more water. Sorry. What we do? We don't want any juice and a soda that. We don't drink
afford
soda.
the slushy. It's not soda. Them have them have plain juice.
Yes, because somebody that said one before one. It look nice.
That video,
No, I'm not stop video. Girl, I show picture of them. My mom that take of me. I like them. Well, I like how I smile, but my hairstyle actually look nice. Like, you know.
I make Asha take it though.
So, guys,
I did my lash.
Time for the actual thing. Me afraid my heart a beat out. So boom, 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 boom. Pray for me. We'll get through this. Me and Tish.
Welcome to our Pinktober celebration. So, I'm coming here and I look at the 90s. So when I say level, what I mean?
Quiet.
When I say level, what I mean? Silent. Alright. Okay, so we're going to take them on Festivities. Ready? Pinktober, we're to break it down. Pinktober, we like to break it down. Everybody on! Pinktober, we like to break it down. Hey, hey! Pinktober, we like to break it
So guys, school is literally over and the gang is going home. Bye. Remember guys to like, comment,
Book
share.
your lash by me, guys. I'm starting a lash business. It's gonna be hair lash extensions and I do fusions. I'm trying to get money before I go to college. Thank you. Mwah.
Live. Guys, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe and watch the ads. I hope I get all the clips so I can put in this video because I never video no me at sit and one baga. So that is it. Tell them bye. Bye guys. Tell them bye. I want to fly up on forehead.